Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on mastering the observer design pattern in JavaScript, specifically focusing on creating dynamic user interfaces. If you've ever struggled with keeping your UI components in sync with underlying data changes, then this tutorial is for you. Today, we'll explore how the observer pattern can elegantly solve these issues, allowing you to build responsive and efficient interfaces. By the end of this session, you'll not only understand how the observer pattern works, but also how to implement it in real-world applications, enhancing your web development skills significantly. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel for continuous high-quality tutorials that keep you at the forefront of web development. Let's get started. The observer design pattern is a fundamental concept in programming that facilitates a publish-subscribe model. In JavaScript, this is often realized through the use of event listeners and callbacks. The pattern is built around two main components, the subject and the observers. The subject maintains a list of observers and updates them of any state changes. Imagine the subject as a news publisher and the observers as subscribers. Whenever a new article is published, all subscribers are notified, ensuring they always have the latest news. This analogy helps clarify the relationship and interaction between these components, promoting a decoupled architecture that is both modular and scalable. As we proceed, we'll explore practical applications and how this pattern compares to other design patterns. Let's dive into an example to see how the observer pattern can be implemented in JavaScript using RxJS. We'll create a dynamic UI that updates automatically when data changes. First, ensure you have Node.js and a code editor like Visual Studio Code installed. Our setup involves a simple HTML page and a JavaScript file where we'll use RxJS to handle observers and subjects. Here's a snippet from our JavaScript file. In our demonstration, you'll see the observer pattern in action. Initially, the UI loads with a title and an empty message box. After 2 seconds, the message box updates with data updated, reflecting the first data change. A few seconds later, another message appears. Another update received, showcasing the seamless updates facilitated by the observer pattern. This real-time dynamic update mechanism is what makes the observer pattern so powerful for creating responsive user interfaces. You can observe the UI components automatically refreshing without any manual intervention, highlighting the decoupled nature of this design pattern. To wrap up, the observer design pattern is a crucial tool in the web developer's toolkit, especially for building dynamic and responsive user interfaces. By applying this pattern, you can ensure your applications are both efficient and scalable. We've shown you how to leverage JavaScript and RxJS to implement this pattern effectively. As you continue to explore this pattern, consider experimenting with more complex scenarios and integrate it into your projects to see the benefits firsthand. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials that not only enhance your skills, but also keep you updated with the latest in web development. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.